Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is the PharMore Money Channel. Today we're going to be examining the next Tesla, which is NIO. A lot of you have probably already heard about it or are maybe wondering what NIO is all about. So we're going to take a closer look. We're going to do a deep dive into NIO and see why it has the crazy, crazy potential to be the next Tesla. And it operates in the same exact EV space as Tesla does as well. So a little bit about NIO. Ticker symbol NIO. It's China's go-to EV company. It's got a ton of potential and ton of growth opportunities as we move forward in the next 5 to 10 years. It's got an actual product on the road, which I'll go through some of the pictures of the different cars that they have that are fully, autonomous and driven around various parts of China. It currently trades at $46 a share. That was as of this afternoon at the market close, but there's tons of potential in this play, and I do think that this will skyrocket to the high $200 range, or even higher, possibly $300. We've all seen the run up in Tesla over the last year, where was sitting idle in about the $100 to $200 range, and then all of a sudden it just skyrocketed and went to the moon basically when it closed on one Friday at $2,000 a share. So there's a huge potential here. I'm going to walk you through some of the sales piece on NIO itself, along with some of the vehicles that they produce and the way they look. And it's just an amazing company that has a ton of upside as we go forward. So NIO continues to outperform on every single quarterly report, and then NIO Day coming up in January as well. They're expected to produce and talk about some incredible results and growth over the last 4 or 5 months since September basically. Back in September, they delivered 4,708 vehicles. They're on pace to deliver basically over 5,000 vehicles every single month. In August, it was reported that the CEO, William Lee, had said that after a recent assembly line overhaul, the company's manufacturing partner had the ability to build up to 5,000 NIOs per month. They've done a phenomenal job. They delivered close to 12,200 vehicles in Q3. They continue to exceed guidance and set quarterly records. So this is going to be an awesome opportunity for us all. So NIO has a lot of cool designs and just car concepts in general. Even the ones coming out in 2021, there's some unique sedans that are going to hit. Right here, what I'm showing you is the ES8, which is their SUV. It's an all-electric SUV, runs on a lithium-ion battery. It seats 7 people. It's just looks fantastic. I mean, just the lines are incredible in it. Just excellent engineering on the inside as well. So in 2020, NIO came out with the EC6, which is what I'm showing you here. It's a mid-size SUV. It only seats 5, a little bit smaller than the ES8 that I showed you previously. But still, I mean, just looks phenomenal, and just has some sleek lines. So here's the interior of the NIO EC6. One key feature that I want everyone to take a look at is the NIO Nomi. It's basically a digital assistant for the dashboard that goes basically beyond infotainment and navigation functions. And basically it's like an artificial intelligence piece that starts studying your preferences over time to understand what you might prefer in terms of your volume for for your music or navigation items. It'll start picking up on that, and once they're fully autonomous across all their vehicles, this will be a huge boost to it, and it'll provide users that are driving with more functionality, and it's just a very cool feature. The console looks very similar to a Tesla. It's got the giant tablet screen in the center console. So yeah, just very unique and cool features from NIO.
Here's another model that NIO has. This one's called the ES6, so a little bit smaller than the ES8, obviously. Once again, midsize SUV, 5 passengers max, but still looks very unique. Almost reminds me a little bit of a Tesla exterior, a little bit, but still very, very cool looking concept or car in general. This is the car that I think everyone desires and wishes to have. It's the NIO EP9, and it's their version of a sports car, and it just looks magnificent. Just the lines in it, and the exterior looks awesome. The interior is just even, just mind blowing. I would recommend everyone to take a look at their website and some of the YouTube videos out there on the NIO EP9 on the road on a racetrack. It's absolutely mind-boggling how fast they can go and just how unique they look. So the NIO Pilot is something that's developed in-house by NIO. It will allow for even further capabilities of autonomous driving as we move through the next decade. So keep an eye out on that. This is going to be something very unique, and obviously Tesla's already doing that with the autopilot modes, and being able to provide updates wirelessly or transmit them over the air. So lots of unique items coming out of NIO as well in regards to that technology of autonomous driving. So keep an eye out on it. So NIO continues to raise capital. In 2021, they plan on bringing out 2 more electric vehicle sedans, along with January 9th being NIO Day, when they plan on releasing the deliveries for the past quarter and all the new items that are going to be in slate for 2021. They also went through basically a cash offering this past week, where they raised about $3 billion in straight cash, which they basically plan to use for the proceeds of developing new vehicles, funding continuous research and development of the autonomous technology, and basically expanding its sales and service network as well. So lots of big things ahead for NIO in 2021. So as we move forward in 2021, NIO is going to be a key player in the EV market. Its mission statement is awesome. It's trading under $50 right now a share, and that's a steal and a bargain in itself when you've got Tesla that closed today at $670 a share. So hopefully all of you can see the momentum that's gaining behind this company, and can also jump in and get in early. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe, and please leave a comment below on what topics you'd like me to discuss as we move forward, any stocks, or if you need any different items in relation to the stock market. Please let me know.